Well, hello. With this device we can control some electric consumers with standard TV remote control. The circuit is made of Pitts microcontroller which decodes signal from infrared remote control. The signal is sensed with 3-pin TSOP1738 infrared sensor which demodulates signal, so on the data pin we have a pure digital signal, coded of course. Analyzing the coding of this remote with logic analyzer shows that the remote is sensing 32 bits and the coding is made by varying pulse width. So to decode the signal I decide to measure the width of each bit with microcontroller to determine is it logic 1 or 0. So this is the classic TV remote control, it's DVD remote control, okay. And now we have, you can, for example, yes, I put first 8 buttons to control this 8 LED. So that's it. You can, yeah. 3 is not working, 4 is not working, 5.